In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram channel. So simply at first open your Telegram. Go to chat section. As you can see, showing it to this option. Press on, showing it to three different way: new group, new contact, and new channel. Press on, create a channel, write the channel name, and add channel. Okay. Press on right mark. If you want to add description, next, public or private, like I'm select to public, profile link, okay. If you want to enable or disable this option, press on next. Press on next. Okay, now successfully create a channel, and this is my channel link. So that's it.